that's your hand broken.
I'm your huckleberry. That's just my game.
Lordy, less work. So what happened here? We can see as he moves in, his fist goes back and his chin comes forward. It's almost like his fist is saying, go in first. I'm coming right behind you. And because of this, he doesn't know where his fist is going to land. He misses the bag completely and punches the machine and breaks his hand. Yep. He broke that hand, and look at that leg kick up. Yeah. He looking like the little tea kettle. That's that tea kettle Boobop. Yeah, that tea kettle Boobop don't even work.